Today, Jia Jingdong, ViVO's vice president and general manager of brand and product strategy, shared the first details of the ViVO X200 series of flagship phones, which are expected to debut on October 14 in China. Apart from the official information, he also revealed the design of the ViVO X200, X200 Pro Mini, and X200 Pro, and shared camera samples for each model. According to Jingdong, the ViVO X200 series is poised to build on the legacy of its predecessor, the X100 series, which was a milestone in ViVO's journey to high-end smartphones. Dominating the 4 to 6K yuan, $570 to $955 price range, the X100 series solidified ViVO's reputation globally and helped secure its position as China's top mobile phone brand for 3 consecutive years. As the X100 series completes its life cycle, the X200 series is set to continue this momentum, ushering in a new era of smartphone innovation, driven by AI integration. Regarding imaging capabilities, the X200 series stands out with its Zeiss 200-megapixel APO super telephoto lens. This lens enhances portrait compression with a 135mm focal length and introduces a telephoto macro mode for refined compositions. Additionally, the series incorporates a pioneering landscape mode designed for capturing stunning sceneries. Upgraded video features include 4K 120fps slow motion, 10-bit log, and 4K backlit movie portrait video, supported by ViVO's proprietary imaging chip V3 Plus and the exclusive Sony L-Lite 8 and 18 sensor. These advancements aim to provide a superior photography and videography experience, appealing to both amateur and professional users. Performance-wise, the X200 series is powered by the Dimensity 9400 processor, known for surpassing 3 million benchmark scores on Antutu. This chip, developed in close collaboration with ViVO, supports AI productivity tasks, real-time voice interaction, smart beauty filters, and more. ViVO's commitment to connectivity is evident in introducing kilometer-level network-free communication technology, utilizing LoRa spread spectrum for long-distance, cost-free communication without network coverage. Battery performance has also seen substantial improvements, with upgraded silicon-negative electrode and semi-solid battery technology, which enhances energy density, low temperature resistance, and lifespan. This series promises dependable performance even in extreme conditions, supporting scientific expeditions in challenging environments like Antarctica and Mount Everest. The Origin OS 5 on the X200 series is highly capable of handling most daily AI tasks directly on the phone, ensuring both independence and privacy. This includes millisecond-level real-time voice interaction and translation, fast live broadcast real-time filters, smart beauty features, one-sentence video editing, personalized and secure smart schedule management, NPC behavior-controlled game AI, and real-time object recognition with augmented reality overlays. In the AI productivity era, having a strong chip is no longer optional but essential. Lastly, regarding the screen of the ViVO X200 series, Jingdong said that the X200 series will feature the Zeiss Master Color screen and 260Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, providing a display effect and eye protection experience close to the iPhone Retina screen. The Pro Mini will have a small flat-screen design with narrow borders and smooth corners.